Let's begin with a demo of Senzing entity resolution inside MatchLogic. MatchLogic supports two types of project creation, rule-based and Senzing entity resolution. For this demo, I'll select Senzing entity resolution and click Create Project. Once the project is created, I'll add two datasets, a source A and source B. With the import complete, let's move to the Senzing field mapping section, where we map each dataset's fields to Senzing's predefined attributes. Here, we can choose the dataset type, for example, person or organization. In this case, our data represents people, so we'll leave it set to person. Next, I'll click Automap to automatically match all fields to their corresponding Senzing attributes, and then click Save Mapping. We'll repeat the same mapping process for source B. Once both datasets are mapped, we can start matching. On the results screen, the Populate dashboard gives us an overview of matches, and possibly related records. Scrolling down reveals every resolved entity along with its unique ID. Clicking an entity shows the match keys that identified it as a match. We can also filter between within dataset matches and across file matches depending on the user's use case. The same applies to possible matches. When I click a record, the system displays the attributes it used to identify the potential match, along with their values presented in a modal for added clarity. Using the filter above the graph, we can also view shared possible matches. Now let's look at possibly related entities. We can filter to just these records by clicking the number shown alongside the Venn diagram. Clicking an entity reveals the match keys explaining why it was flagged as possibly related. Additional filters at the top let us narrow down entities to fit the user's specific requirements. Finally, there's the Find Entity option at the top. Here, a user can locate a record using attributes such as address line 1, last name, and postal code. To view the full entity, simply click it to see all of its details. And that concludes our demo of Senzing entity resolution within MatchLogic.